Hey guys, this is Brooke and you're watching The Vintage Gardener. So I haven't been home long from work, which I'm not happy about because I wanted to get a lot more done in the garden. But I am going to tackle this project right here. These are my planters that I have by the door. I usually change them out depending upon the season. I had them planted with some pansies, which are these right here, and some ranunculus, which are these right here. And as you can see, they've died. And which is not surprising, they're kind of past their life. But I'm going to be replacing them with these lovely little things. These are called Sweetunia and it's called Miss Marble. I'm not really sure who makes these. I got these from Ronnie's Garden Center, which is in, I think it's Egg Harbor, New Jersey. So it is a variety of petunia. And as you can see, it's got like a lovely dark purple center with like kind of like with white kind of edging the petals. So it only gets 4 inches high, but it has a spread of 12 inches, so it's going to be kind of short, but it's just going to spread out. So I did look up the care instructions. It is a full sun plant, which is fine because this is the southern facing side of my house, so it gets really full on full sun. It gets pretty dry up here, but you can water them, but they like to dry out a little bit between watering, which is fine because sometimes I do forget to water the plants. So I am going to set up the time lapse. I'm going to take all of this out and I'm going to try to get this done this evening and then water them in, and then I'll take a picture tonight if it's not too dark, or tomorrow morning when I get up. Okay guys, so I'm done. Actually, it wasn't that bad. So I got all 4 in the pots and I watered them. I gave them each half a gallon of water just to kind of get them settled in because the dirt in there was kind of dry. And I put the light stakes back in, and this fourth one, which was broken, I mean, actually, I guess it wasn't broken, but it wasn't coming on, now works. And of course you can see Monsieur Bumper Snoot back there who was helping me. Actually, he wasn't. He nearly knocked over the camera a couple times. So if you're watching a time lapse and you see it kind of start going back and forth, yeah, that's this one right here. So in case any of you guys are wondering, I actually do garden this time of night. Most of you guys know that I'm an attorney, so unfortunately I don't get off at 4:30. I think my quitting time is like 5:30, but there's a lot of times I have to work later. And so I don't like to wait until the weekend to do all my gardening. I do try to get it done even in the dark. I do have one of those headlight flashlights, and so there have been times I've been out here at 9, 10 o'clock at night digging in the dirt, putting flowers in. There was one time I was actually mulching at like 10:30 at night. Thankfully, my neighbors don't seem to mind. Actually, I don't know if my neighbors can really see that, could really see me for where they are, which is fine. I live on a dead-end street, so there's not really a whole lot of people around. So hopefully you found that interesting. So I'll definitely be taking pictures of what it looks like as they grow. I will give them some fertilizer probably this weekend. I just want to get them in the pot and get them a little bit acclimated before I start giving them fertilizer, because sometimes I've had bad experiences like throwing fertilizer in. If I had liquid fertilizer, I would do it. So if you like what you saw tonight, please subscribe. If not, that's fine. You can just join us when you can. So thank you for watching The Vintage Gardener, and I will see you in the next video, which hopefully will be during daytime hours.